Attention all Samsung Galaxy Watch users. A major update is on its way, and it's time to get excited. The One UI 8 Watch update, a game changer for Samsung wearables. Samsung has begun rolling out the highly anticipated One UI 8 Watch update to its popular Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic models. This update, based on Google's Wear OS 6, promises to revolutionize your smartwatch experience. But here's where it gets controversial. While some regions have already received the update, others are still waiting. So, let's dive into the details and explore what this update means for you. The rollout has commenced in Korea, with the new build ending in CYK2. Samsung aims to expand to more regions within the next few days, provided no significant issues are encountered. To check if your device is eligible, simply navigate to the wearable app, then watch settings, watch software update and download and install. Trust me, this update is worth the wait. The One UI 8 Watch update brings a fresh and intuitive user interface, along with a plethora of exciting new features. It's a significant upgrade that will enhance your overall smartwatch experience. And this is the part most people miss. The update was first released for the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra back in July, coinciding with the launch of the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic, which already came equipped with One UI 8 Watch out of the box. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your Samsung Galaxy Watch? Here's a quick rundown of the best offers for each model, courtesy of our affiliate partners. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. 16GB with 2GB RAM, €233.18 or $149.99. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. 32GB with 2GB RAM, €139 or $199.99. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. 32GB per 64GB with 2GB RAM, €317.99 or $649.99. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. 32GB with 2GB RAM, €229 or $349.99. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. 64GB with 2GB RAM, €279 or $469.99. Remember, these prices may vary, and we might receive a commission from qualifying sales through our affiliate links. So, if you're considering an upgrade, now is the perfect time. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. Do you think the staggered rollout of updates is fair, or should all regions receive updates simultaneously? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions on this controversial topic.